You can create a learning path from scratch by clicking Learning Path on the Add page of a course. But if you already have created or collected content in a folder, it is also possible to turn that folder into a learning path. When you do this, each resource in the folder becomes a step, where students move from one step to the next. It is still possible to add steps to this learning path by clicking the Add Step button and then adding a resource to this step. These resources can come from many places, such as your preferred cloud storage, your computer, or this course. It can also be added from the itslearning library, where you can find OER resources, content shared by other teachers or your organization, or even commercial content. I will search for poetry and have a look at the results. If I find a resource I like, I can simply add it to my learning path. You can drag and drop the steps to change the order of the sequence. In addition to a linear sequence, where a student can move from one step to the next, it is also possible to design a different flow based on results. For example, I can use this test and the beginning of the learning path to allow students to fast forward to the final assignment if they show sufficient knowledge. After I click Complete Path, I can decide to make it visible immediately or at any time in the future. Students can find the learning path under Resources, but I can also include it in a plan to automatically add it to the course overview page based on the date of the plan. Switching to the student, she can see the learning path directly on the course overview page because I have added it to this week's plan. I can open the plan, navigate to the learning path, and then start it. The first resource in the learning path is the test, and I will start answering all the questions. And in this example, I will answer all the questions correctly. Fast forward to the last question, I will complete the test. The test is automatically corrected, and since I have a score of 100%, the next step that becomes available is the assignment that was at the end of the learning path. Because of my result, I'm skipping all the remedial resources between the test and the assignment.